This is our property in Deer Park. It's a 3-2 two-car garage. Let's go and take a look inside. From the outside you can tell the roof is in decent shape. Looks like a 20-year shingle. Still has plenty of life on it. The exterior two garage doors just need to be adjusted, put back in place, and you're definitely going to do some painting outside. This is definitely going to require some landscape. So the tree probably needs to be trimmed back so you can actually see the house. If you look at the wood siding, you have to go ahead and clean it up. But other than that, it's actually in pretty good shape out front, outside. Let's go inside. When you come inside, you're gonna smell that it was a smoker's house, but do some painting and some priming, and it should get rid of the smell. What I would recommend is changing out the ducts in your AC. The AC in itself could stay, but changing out the ducts. Here you have a formal living, nice size. Now this wall here, if you were looking to really put it on the market and sell it, that would be a nice wall that you can knock out and make it an open floor plan, something that people are looking for nowadays. But anyway, it still has a nice natural light coming through, and it would be a good formal living. Once you come back here and you turn to your left, you'll go into the bathroom. The bathroom is in decent shape. As a rental, I would probably say clean it, reseal it, caulk it, and you're good. For a retail, I would completely gut the bathroom, put a new tile surround, a new tub, new toilet, new vanity, and new mirror here, and some new lighting. So let's go down the hallway here. Here you have some hall space, little hall closet. Go back here, and it's just a bedroom. So pretty simple: paint, carpet, new fan, and then here's just where the you just put new carpet. And all the little lines you see is just the glue from the padding for the carpet. Here's your second bedroom. Same thing, paint, carpet, and need some new window panes there. So now if we keep walking, we'll walk into the living room or the den, and you see it opens up into the kitchen. Nice size room. This wall here is the wall that I was recommending possibly opening up, so it can actually be a huge living area. Refrigerator, I haven't looked inside, but usually I would probably recommend replacing it. You see a hole in the back there, some mold. So I'd definitely change out that. The appliances, you know, the stove here is missing. The range top cooktop there is there, but it's old and dated. The dishwasher looks like it was replaced once. It may work, but I just go ahead and replace it. It's pretty inexpensive replacement. What I would do is actually cut out these cabinets and put a slide-in stove, and then close this up, add shelves, and make this a pantry. It's less expensive to replace a slide-in stove than it is a stovetop and separate stove. I'd get rid of all the green Formica and actually put a new Formica top and maybe a tile backsplash. As a rental or a retail flip, I would probably add like an inexpensive granite, and that way it's pretty hard to break and chip that even as a rental, so you don't have to replace the countertops every time. The cabinets themselves look really well kept. They look like they're solid wood. I'd keep them just the way they are. They have brushed nickel hardware. I just clean them up and make sure they look nice. On this side is also the master. So this is your master bedroom. And here is your second bathroom. So it's a nice sized bathroom. You have one vanity. This actually looks newer. So as a rental, I would keep this. As you wanted to retail this home, I'd replace it. New lighting, you know, make sure all your fixtures match. You have gold, brushed nickel, chrome. Make sure it all matches, especially, you know, regardless of whether you're going to sell it or retail the home. Shower surround, I'd keep it. It's a nice shape. Doesn't look like it's has any cracks in it or anything. So I would keep it. Probably just add some new fixtures there. There's some sign of foundation. There's crack there. I believe there's a foundation report that the property has been leveled once already. Nice size closet. Here's a garage. I don't have the flashlight with me, so the water here looks like it's in decent shape, but it is a little old, so just have that tested out. Here's your connections to your washer and dryer, but they are on this side as well, so you can choose to use either or. Garage door opener looks newer. Like I said, the doors need to just be adjusted and reset. Should be good. Let's go out back. So let's just go this way. Siding on the house is vinyl siding and wood. So the vinyl you can pressure wash, the wood you can paint. You can see there's some wood damage there just because there's nowhere for the water to go. So it's just a little bit of wood rot. This tree here, I trim it back away from the house just to make sure there's no termites that get in there. The brick is all in nice shape, well taken care of. I'd pressure wash it if you were going to retail the property. AC system probably needs some maintenance, but it doesn't look too bad at all. The fence here, I'd probably go ahead and spend a little bit of money, clean it up, make it look good. And you can see the paint peeling on the side, but it's just a matter of cleaning that. Let's go through to the other side and the back. So again, you can tell pretty decent neighbors cutting the yard, so at least you know how to take care of it. This tree here, I'd probably look to remove it or trim it or get rid of it. May cause foundation issues in the future. This is the backyard. That tree, just trim it back. There's another tree, trim it. So you can see that the paint's chipping off the siding, but the roof is in good shape. Go back here, have a nice little cover, looks to be in really good shape. You have your sliding door that I would replace with some French doors, and you have this cutout here, I guess used to be for a window air conditioning unit or a window. If it's a window, I'd replace it with a window. If it was actually, yes, it was a window. Here's a window ledge here, so I just get a window and replace it. And your electrical box has been updated at one point in time. Driveway's good. If you want to retail it, I'd pressure wash it. Makes it look cleaner and nicer to potential buyers. So this is our property in Deer Park.